Okay, now that we've logged into our IBM Control Desk, you can see the incidents coming in from ODM and from other various locations, such as our event management system. As you see, the interface is quite crisp, clean, and very easy to navigate. It is an HTML5 based interface that just came out with our most recent release. Release 7.6 was released last week, and this interface has been built to allow you to run this on a mobile device such as an iPad or an iPhone, so you can respond and escalate issues using your mobile device. We have generated ticket number 1002 automatically from our ODM alert and negative sentiment alert that was created yesterday afternoon, and I'm recording this video the day after, so that's why you see the age is a day there. One of the other highlights of the interface is that we can quickly see which tickets are open, which ones are in queue. As you can see here, we also have a slow response incident coming in from our monitoring technology on Acme Air, and it is actually a incident that's in progress. So if we drill down into the ticket number, and this, by the way, this incident was created using a REST API call that provided me with the details such as a high number of negative comments in the last 5 minutes. Now, we could take ownership as a help desk user. We could take ownership of this incident and work it through the normal scenario and provide as much information as required in order to progress the incident. What I'm going to show you next is our very feature-rich environment that allows a level 2 or level 3 help desk person to work the problem. And so here I've logged in as Franklin, who's a change and level 3 user of the IBM Control Desk. And this is the interface for the full IBM Control Desk change management system. IBM Control Desk supports 12 ITIL processes, so I'm actually in the change management one. I'm on a landing page called the Start Center, which is where Franklin would do most of his activities. And from here, we can go into a change application. I can do a search from the previous view in the HTML5 viewer. You noticed probably that there was a network issue. So if we search on network, we can see that we have a schedule to add an additional network interface card. So we will look at the incident there, or I should say the change request there, and we see that it is scheduled, and we can do an impact analysis. Clicking on impacts will show us the computer system that will be affected by this implementation of a new network card. And the important thing to realize here is that not only does it show the AIX system involved in this change request, but more importantly, it shows a list of all the impacted servers and systems that are going to be affected by this. So here, this is for illustration purposes. Here we can see that a business application such as loan processing would be affected, and changing that network card would also affect the DB2 database as well as the LDAP service on that AIX system. So this gives you an indication of how you could use IBM Control Desk to minimize system outages and to improve business objectives and serviceability.